Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X7b, and today I will show you how you can screen record on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. This will give you your toggles. Now on here, it doesn't matter which side you actually swipe down on, so make sure you do it on the right side. And in here, we're looking for the screen recording. If you can't see it right away, you can just swipe down on it to extend it, and then it should show up somewhere. For me, it is right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. Now, we do need to grant access to things like the microphone, even though technically we should be able to get away without it. I'm gonna try. Cancel. Apparently, it won't allow me to, which is a bit scammy, considering most screen recordings actually have the option to not record microphone, therefore the phone shouldn't need the frickin' microphone permission. But you know, it's Huawei, so expect some spying. I meant, sorry, Honor, because that makes a big difference, apparently. Anyway, so let's go to permissions, microphone, only allow when using the app. Let's try that again. So it enables it by default, the microphone, which easy way around it would have been to just not enable it by default and not require me to give it the permission for mic, but whatever. Anyway, once you start recording, obviously whatever you will be doing will be recorded. There is a little bit of a caveat, which I'm going to show right now. So in a second, you should be able to see that. What was that again? We cannot detect a network. Oh, okay, so I don't have internet apparently. Yeah, it's off. But whatever, I'm gonna explain this in a second. Anyway, let's first stop the recording. So when you try to record things like Netflix, if you have obviously internet, what you'll experience is that you just get straight up a black screen. Now we can view that recording in our gallery. I'm gonna see if we did have anything like that. So let's go to videos and play it back. Now, the reason you might have a black screen is because certain applications have the ability to block screen recordings and screenshots. Now, this feature is in Android, added for security reasons for the user, but it's being maliciously used by corpos like Netflix for shady purposes to just kind of annoy the hell out of you. There is no security risk here for you in a Netflix, so there is no reason for this to be enabled. And furthermore, adding insult to injury, you don't have the option to disable this at all. So if you ever encounter that whatever you're trying to record presents you with a straight up black screen, just know that's what you get and there's nothing you can do about it. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.